Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy and sell crypto on Kraken. So to buy and sell crypto on Kraken, you need to know that buying or selling means holding or selling for cash, right? So it's not like the trading or the upgraded Kraken Pro. It's for buying or for holding or selling for cash, okay? Period. So what you're gonna do, if you want to buy, hit trade at the bottom right, hit buy at the top, select your crypto, let's say Ethereum, excuse me, I hold it instead of pressing it, enter the amount, let's say 50, under, you're gonna see the payment method, select Apple Pay, and continue to buy 50 bucks of Ethereum, alright? Now what you're gonna do, if you want to sell, hit trade again at the bottom right, press sell instead. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit Bitcoin into the amount that you want to sell. Continue, confirm that you want to sell $5 of Bitcoin, and you will receive it as USD or USDG. Okay, but mainly you're gonna receive it as cash or fiat. So confirm the process of selling Bitcoin to cash. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.